Hey guys, so today we are going to be mixing Evershin cocoa butter and Citro Clear Serum. Citro Clear Serum is a very good serum that is new on the market, and it's so good for skin lightening, for green veins, for stretch marks, and all these skin issues. So without further ado, let's start mixing the cream. So right now I have my Evershin cocoa butter here, and then it's too full, so I'm going to put a bit in my old Evershin bottle so that I get enough space to mix the oil. Okay, so just putting a bit in my old Evershin so that we get enough space for the oil.